Hello everyone! We're super excited to walk you through our newest feature, the pipeline. This tool serves as a lead management system, designed to help you effortlessly track and organize your leads as they journey through the various stages of your sales process. Ready to dive in? You'll find the pipeline nestled in the sidebar navigation. Simply look under Contacts and it's right there as the second option. Click on Pipeline and a whole new perspective on lead management opens up for you. Let's explore this together. In Referrizer, we use contact statuses to organize the columns in our pipeline. Some statuses are set by your headquarters and they can't be edited. However, you have the flexibility to add more, based on your business needs. This can be done by creating new statuses on the pipeline settings page. Note that the order of statuses directly corresponds to the order of columns in the pipeline. So what can you do in the pipeline? Do you need to see your newest leads or perhaps those who have been around a while? Use the sort feature to arrange all contacts by new first or old first. A quick search in the search box can find any specific contact in an instant. And the time filter? It's your go-to tool for filtering contacts based on the date the contacts have been created. Changing a contact status is a piece of cake. You can do this in two ways: directly on the pipeline, simply drag and drop a contact from one column to another. Or, for a more detailed view, click on a contact to open their profile page. Here, you'll find a drop-down select field for statuses, where you can also make changes. Each column comes packed with options. You can add new contacts by clicking on the Add Contact button at the bottom of the columns. You can sort contacts by new first or old first, and even move all contacts from one column to another at once, great for initial setup or major updates. To customize a column, just hit Edit. This will lead you to the Settings page, where you can tweak to your heart's content. Please note that the default statuses provided by headquarters are not editable. One nifty feature we've added is tasks, visible right in the pipeline for any contacts that have them. Here's a simple color guide. The red color is for the tasks that are overdue. The green color is for the tasks that are due, and the gray color is for tasks scheduled for the future. It's a visual cue to keep you on track. To create a new task, just head to a contact's profile page and look below their status. Scheduling it for the future helps ensure you never miss a follow-up. And once a task is completed, simply check it off, and it will disappear from the list. If you're browsing contacts within the same column, we've made it simple. Use the Next and Previous buttons to move between contacts. This lets you perform necessary actions or schedule tasks without having to go back to the pipeline. If you do want to head back to the pipeline, just click on the Back to Pipeline button. Simple as that. For this version of the pipeline, we have automated a few of the statuses. Let's take the lead status as an example. This means every new contact added to your business will automatically appear in the leads column within the pipeline. From this point, you can start converting these leads into customers by taking proactive actions and navigating them through the different columns in the pipeline. When you directly communicate with a lead through text, email, or a call, their status immediately changes from lead to lead contacted. They'll then move to the lead contacted column in the pipeline. This helps you easily differentiate between leads you've reached out to and those you haven't. When a lead reaches out to you directly via text, email, or a call, their status updates to lead responded. Just a heads up, our system currently doesn't integrate with your email inbox. So, if a lead emails you, be sure to manually update their status to lead responded. A contact status will automatically change to booked when they schedule any class. Likewise, their status will be set as a new member once they purchase a membership. Now, let's go through a typical use case to show you how easy it is to manage your contacts using the pipeline. Let's say we have a lead named James Smith. You'll find him right here in the leads column. We can see the next column is contacted, which means we want to contact James and see if he's interested in attending a trial class. by clicking on James's card, we're brought to his contact profile page. Now let's imagine we've just called James, and as it turns out, he's on vacation, but the good news is, he's interested in purchasing a membership. What do we do with this information? Simple. First, let's log our call. We'll note down in the description that James was interested but is currently on vacation, and he asked to be called again once he's back. The next step is creating a follow-up task. We'll schedule a call for 4 days later when James is back from his vacation. Just like that, we've organized our next step with James without even breaking a sweat. And when we go back to the pipeline, we can see that James, our potential member, has moved from the leads column to the lead contacted. We can also see his newly created task. When the day comes, and the task is due, James's card will turn green, reminding us it's time for that follow-up call. So, you see, working with contacts in the pipeline is not just efficient, but it's also super easy. Happy pipelining!